What's that game called?
Table tennis.
Table tennis?
Then you have to link a Facebook account if you want to play against people.
Fuck off!
No,
Why'd you have to shout?
Just didn't he? Go on then, I'll beat for it, you fucking thing, and drop it. Go on.
Oh!
Please say he was recording that.
No. Get away!
Why aren't you recording?
I did, it's on! I didn't turn it off!
So it is recording?
Yeah!
Bro, I'll eat your whole hand next
Do you want to
time.
go check? Do you want to double check? You should probably double check. I turned it off.
I'll eat your whole
It
hand
won't
next
record
time.
if you turn it off.
I didn't turn it off.
You got you. You got you. In the middle.
If you want to go in the middle.
Yeah, man. Come on.
Alright, cut an
That was
idea.
very assertive.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Cosconia channel. Today we're going to be doing another outfit based challenge. This one's going to be with a mystery box that we got from AGORA clothing, and we're actually going to be picking 2 items from this each. After revealing everything to you, we're going to go through the box, show you everything that's inside it, and we're going to pick 2 items each. If you could subscribe to the channel, get us to 100 subscribers so we get a custom link, make it easier for us, and also check out our other socials and our website to see our newest drop.
Sure.
And changes it is out now.
Yeah, those are our brand new drops, go check them out, please buy them.
Good boys.
Alright, first item.
Oh my god, I'm putting the straws away.
Yo, I'm nervous.
Sealing the straws.
Shaking.
We can already see the top one.
Yeah.
They can't.
Yeah.
Oh! That's alright, that's pretty nice.
What?
Coach
Oh,
jacket.
the anime coach jacket. Nice. I actually like this colour, man. It's like a baby pink.
You already have this, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, so we've got 2 now.
Don't
So
know.
basically, the company AGORA that made these, they're shutting down and they're doing like mystery boxes where it's £25 or £50,
Yeah.
and you get just £200 worth of their previous clothing.
Yeah. Actually, before it was closing down, I already brought a couple of things
Yeah.
from them.
I was a fan of the stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
Throw it in my face, I'll catch it. It'll be a joke. Throw it in my face. Throw the box on my face. I was being serious. Like, I mean, throw this side out my fucking head.
911.
Throw it on my head. Throw the box.
I think he's got psychosis. I'm just gonna grab something, you're gonna find out what it is.
Blind. Yo!
Yo, we got a sheep hat.
Yo, that's a
This is actually made out of sheep. That's crazy.
Oh, look, a leather.
Leather buckles here on the back.
Premium.
Matches the buckles.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, that's plastic. Just to
Right. Bubble inside.
Yo, that's the hat I want to be wearing. Damn, yo.
Yeah, this is high fashion. You
You
look
look like a jelly about to happen.
bro, looks Trump.
Yo, you were jelly in the making. Alright, now I don't know what's going on. Remember guys, the total of this, so basically I brought a £35 jacket one and then a £15 hat. So you'll see how much you can actually get worth for, what, 50 quid?
Oh my god.
Yo!
Oh yes, we got a tent.
What?
So,
Yo, look at the arm! What?
this is like another coach jacket.
Oh.
Yo,
That actually reminds me of what Tom
It's
had.
just
Nah, it's like a windbreaker, isn't it?
Oh, it's just all netting.
We got
inside.
zips. We got the Hinata netting. You know, straight
Oh.
up Leaf Village. Oh, that's fucking fire. That's cool.
Oh wow.
Okay. Pathfinder. That's actually lit. Okay, I like this.
Okay, so what
That's
we
a
got?
sick item. And we got that for, if you value the box, probably like what, 8 quid.
Yeah.
I've got way too much yellow
Is
in
my
my
turn
wardrobe.
next?
Oh,
I don't need any.
there's like 2 more hats in there, I think. From
What are you gonna get, though?
What I may have seen.
Ooh, a Man Crush Monday! A
Does it not
snapback!
mean anything else?
I don't know what it
Yeah,
is.
fuck snap.
It was
I've heard of that.
It was just
I've
like
no
the-
idea what the fuck. People wear snapbacks in 2020.
2012.
That one maybe.
That's just
Not
because it's
this.
a sick material. Like,
Yo.
if you can get something like around
I should have loosened this, man.
Smallest stories are getting this one. I'm sorry.
Look, just pick it out! Another snapback snakeskin?
Snakeskin camo.
That's kind of stupid.
Yeah, why snapback? No wonder they shut down.
Nah, we like this one though. You probably like Ben.
That was pretty cool.
That's fun. That's cool.
Nah, it's still cool
Yo,
pattern
it's
though.
kind of
And
reflective
it
though.
feels like, I think that's actually real snakeskin.
Yeah, I think they got a real snake. This
Oh
one
no,
fits
that
fine,
actually
isn't
is
it? This one's alright.
That looks like an Onision army outfit.
Open it up. Ooh.
What is it?
Yo,
Yo,
that's actually
long
sick.
sleeve. Alright, so this is a t-shirt with like
Oh.
what is that called again? This
Like a.
No, I forgot. Flannel.
Yeah.
No, it's got another
Checkered.
name. No, it's got a
Flannel.
name.
People call that flannel.
But anyway, so it goes on the back. Like it's like a 3/4 navy blue, and then it goes to this other style on the left, which I think is pretty cool. That's actually quite original. That's quite original. I like that.
Joe, moment 3.
Beanie!
Benny.
I'm gonna switch
A
this beanie out
beanie.
right now.
Strip.
Yeah, look at
What
big,
the
Beanie.
fuck? Oh, that's too bad. I don't like big beanies, man.
big beanie gang.
Sorry, the hats are slacking.
I'm all about these hats. My goes. Am I picking?
Sure, go, hurry. Oh!
What do you want?
You.
Santa
Think of
Claus.
Shuddy. Oh look!
Oh, the
another
fuck?
item!
Look, he's already warm.
Oh,
Bucket.
Joe!
So we got a bucket hat with a Palm Beach, and it just has AGORA on it. Denim, or as Americans call it, they'd call it a jean hat.
Why are you staring at me?
You're fucking up my vibe.
Next item. Come
Like?
on, Shuddy.
Oh, I can feel another hat, bro. I'll go for something else.
Yeah.
Nah, there's nothing
That's
else.
it.
It's just hats.
That's it. It's just a hat.
Ooh.
Yellow.
Oh!
I like this.
That's not bad.
Clean.
Corduroy hat with a rose on it, stitched in. That's pretty nice.
Show the camera.
I'll show it on my head. Put it on my head. Oh hell yeah, Shuddy.
Oh, I think I got the last
I could pull
item.
some girls on Tinder with this, Shuddy.
I got the last
That's
item.
pretty good actually.
Yo, guess what the last item is?
A hat. I felt 2 more hats, so I know it's another hat.
Oh, Shuddy, what is that?
The
What?
That is
Genuine.
the worst
What?
fucking thing I've ever seen. What the fuck? That's like me with the guy at the fucking barbecue. You know, he goes, what the fuck is happening?
Insert.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Genuine.
No, oh, it's actually
For basketball.
Major League Basketball.
Bro, basketball plays well.
Basketball?
It's
baseball.
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 It's Bro, does that
Bro,
look
you
like
playing, it's basketball with bats. Right,
Yo, they invented new games, though.
yeah, it's Canada. It's Canada. They play basketball with bats in this one.
That's not as bad as the other one.
Bro, look at the size of this. It's a fucking duck's
I even
foot.
see Joe wearing that.
What? I just don't put me in that. Homie got the beanie on.
Right, so we gotta make things with fucking like 7 hats.
God, fucking. Yo, I can wear 2 hats per foot. Like.
Yo, it's straw time, dog.
Oh, no, I need the long straw, dog.
Who goes first? That mean you.
Do rock, paper, scissors. Oh, Joe wins. Alright, Joe.
No, it.
Right, this is the vibe. No one wants
Come on,
that fucking beanie.
Come on, dog.
No one wants the Atlanta hat.
Oh, that's a big straw, dog. What's the Ollie picks first?
I
yeah?
pick first.
I pick second. Bro, can't wait for you to wear this bad boy.
No, I'm alright. I got other options. I got other options.
So I get two things.
Oh, of course you went for that one.
Nah, don't go for that one. I'm lucky too.
You can fuck you both up and just pick the 2 bits of outerwear.
No,
And then you can only get
You've only
hats.
got 2 things to. Oh my
No.
fucking god. The pink coach jacket.
Oh, I forgot about this one.
I was gonna say we're fucked. Like, there's no way no one can win the outfit challenge with a hat. Like,
Right, well we'll
can't-
say you can pick 1 hat and 1 piece of
Yeah.
outerwear.
Me
I know what I'm going with. I've
Alright.
decided.
Come on.
Alright,
Cammy,
I'm taking this corduroy hat.
Oh, because you picked fucking
Don't look a bit salty about that one though. And I'm picking the pink jacket. This is what I'm picking.
I'm going bucket hat and the long sleeve.
I saw that coming.
fucking one I
I
wanted.
saw that coming from a mile away. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Here's your jacket, Sam. Here's your jacket.
Oh, what? How you gonna?
Look at all these hats, bro.
Are
Which
you gonna
one do
bring
you
up
want?
Man Crush Monday hat?
Ooh, little man crush man.
I don't have to wear a hat for the money, right? Because like none of those hats are appealing.
I feel like we should force him to pick a hat.
Pick a hat, pick a hat, pick a hat.
Let me evaluate.
Let me vibe real quick. That is legit the only one that goes with it.
Bro, that's dog shit. Nah,
Perfect
none of these make sense. Bro, you could easily make a fit with the yellow. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with you, bro. You literally got the yellow. He's got a yellow beanie. Can we trade?
You can borrow the beanie if you want to borrow the beanie.
No, that's cheating.
Bro, these are fucking AIDS! What do you expect me to do with this, eh? It's got a fucking shoelace! Stitched. What the what? Hang on, let me sabotage this shit.
What the fuck? That's how you tighten it.
He's gonna strangle himself with it.
Fuck it up. Hang on, I'll do braces. What the fuck it up? No.
Yo, what are you saying about braces?
Do we say we got the beanie? Can we pretend we got the beanie?
Put the Man Crush Monday
Oh
one.
no way! What the hell?
Oh, so we also got this beanie in the box, and I'm picking that for my hat, because as you can tell,
Because he's salty.
None of these, bro. Don't fucking call it that.
Bro, nah, you gotta pick the Atlanta hat.
Trash.
Trash.
Trash. So Joe's got the fucking fit that I had in my. Joe has the outfit that I had in my head, so I'm screwed in that regard. We got this beanie in the box. We just didn't show us opening it. I don't know. It's at the bottom.
I definitely.
Joe picked out the box before he came.
Yeah,
And if you saw him wearing it, that was a PNG.
Yeah.
That was a PNG. So that's an editing effect.
CGI.
You won't understand. You'd have to go to uni to learn about it. So we're gonna go try on the fits real quick, and we'll be back with that. Bro, don't fucking fail me for this challenge because of this.
Oh my god!
So, are you actually happy about your fit now? Because you've been a little bitch.
Are you gonna put that in there with pencil?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy. Time to put the gun away. I'm happy. I'm happy. I love my outfit.
Ah! Oh shit, that fucking got me.
Even after all our complaining, I think their outfits turned
You
out.
didn't complain, you fucking picked the fit I wanted.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I mean, after some complaining.
I ain't been complaining now.
So, what for overall 50 quid? I think we did pretty well.
For 50 quid?
There was some stuff that was like, but
Like-
obviously it's a mystery box.
So Ollie straight away went with, we're gonna call this like the anime pink coach jacket. It's like a candy floss pink with white details on it. On the back it's got like an anime print on, which is really, really cool. So he's paired that up with obviously black trousers. We got the black hat as well. We got that in the mystery box. It's got like a nice embroidered rose on it. It's like,
And a retro devil hoodie from Cosconia.com. Wow, convenient.
What's the quality like?
I don't. It's excellent. I haven't taken this off in like a week. I haven't even showered.
Yeah,
I can't shower whilst I'm wearing the hoodie, so I mean, I'd never take it off.
Yeah. So if you want to save water money bills, buy our stuff.
And don't shower.
And if you want to meet your significant other, you can definitely buy this as well.
You don't even have to shower.
Definitely put you up a couple points on the attractive.
get that musk.
Joe, what do you think about the fit? How you feeling?
I actually rate it. I feel like I had to steal this one because Ollie stole mine. So I stole Sam's. This definitely isn't me and my style. I feel like this is like definitely a you or Ollie kind of
I like long sleeves.
I love bucket hats. Been looking for a bucket hat for ages. These two can.
Yeah. I was gonna say that.
But
Yeah,
I found like you can never find like a bucket where like the bucket isn't too much. Like I'm not seeing anything because I've already got a fringe. Trousers are mine. These are Ollie's that I could borrow because it was a mystery outfit. You know, I didn't know what we was gonna be getting.
Yeah, we didn't have enough trousers to include that in the fit. If we'd gotten 3 pairs of trousers, then we could have, but that didn't.
And then some 88 vintage onto Sam. Sam's got this Pathfinder windbreaker in yellow, beautiful. My beanie.
Agora's beanie.
We found that in the box.
Oh yeah, Agora's beanie. We found the beanie in the box. In the box.
Yeah. Beanie in the box.
And then
beanie in the box.
And then to go with that, these white Air Force Ones. Very clean. You know how it is.
Cropped, tapered.
Yeah, I didn't know what it's called. I was calling 3/4, and I thought you'd hit me.
Bro, they know where it goes when I stand up. What the fuck?
That's a whole ass quarter though.
Yeah, I understand that. I got 30-30, I'm 32-30. But I got 30-30, I did like Charles Drivers.
So overall, I feel like...
With the off-white belt.
Wait, they were already cropped?
Yeah.
You should just buy them in your size then. Otherwise you're getting an extra crop.
I want to, because I ordered my red ones with this,
You want it cropped.
You know with this material, I ordered my red ones.
Double
But I still have to wear
just
them.
buy
really
regular
high
trousers
waisted.
at a smaller size.
Sure.
If you're gonna buy crop trousers at a crop size,
Yes,
just
but
buy
what I
regular
mean
trousers
is
at a
I
crop
did
size,
that
or
and
crop
they
trousers
still...
at a regular size.
Yeah, okay, but my legs are extremely fucking long, so I ordered the red ones that were cropped, and they were still like barely cropped.
Right.
Like, I mean, I have to wear them up to like here to make the cropped look. So with these, like, they don't. Hang on.
That's how I like it. I would like rolling off the line.
Right.
But I don't know, it's not going to change feelings, though. This is how they're ever saying.
Sit down! Sit down! I feel like this windbreaker is actually sick. Not my style. It's definitely your style. Like, I could see you actually wearing that, like, without getting it out of the box.
Honestly, I think it's a bit unusual for Sam. I don't see Sam in
Colour this bright.
that and coats, and that doesn't have a lot of layerability.
I think it works how it is. Though.
I think it looks good on him.
I don't think.
Yeah.
I think
I
it's.
don't-
You go with
think it's
slim
a bit
fit
unusual.
outfits, I think, to wear this with,
Yeah.
because it's quite. It's got like a bag, but also slim on the arms. It's like it's cool. It's cool. It's everything I like in clothes. It's everything. Like I fucking love excessive zips and shit. Like I love that.
Yeah, and these little nipple pockets.
Got my nipple pockets.
Keep your nipples in there.
Got my pouch.
Your nipple wall.
Did you keep a nine? Did you keep a little baby
Keep my
kangaroo?
Definitely the coolest thing. I didn't even know Agora had this. It's like the coolest thing I've seen from Agora, so I love it. I'm happy with it.
Oh, let me get my sword.
So, this was a £50 Agora mystery box challenge video, guys. I hope you liked it. Agora is shutting down, although we've left a 10% discount code in the video somewhere. So, with all that being said, check out Cosconia.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Any closing words?
Please check out Cosconia.com. We have Changes, which is a hoodie we've released, one of the best hoodies, or the most developed hoodies we've released in a long time. It has colour, stitching, embroidery, it's everything. It's the most crazy hoodie you've ever seen.
Shut back, you phone.
Yeah, okay, but we're going to be releasing these stickers. They're going to come in all sorts of different colours. They're Game Boy cartridges with Julius Caesar designed in a Cuphead format. With Cosconia written on there. It's a Cosconia Game Boy cartridge. And we're also going to be doing a new drop soon called Afterlife. And we're going to be releasing teaser images of that on Twitter
Ooh.
at
Cosconia.
Twitter.com/Cosconia.
So you can go check that out. That's going to be sold in
That's
long
so
sleeves, ready for
I'm making you do
the
this
change.
I'm not doing that. You're just going to be going like holding your hands out. I'm not doing that.